one and only Hiv's Happy Hour. What we're going to cover this week is back to cocktails. As we've just entered July, I want to do something really different. Something from the Difford's recipe, really good cocktail book this. So what we're going to cover today is a Bourbon blush, and that is the recipe right there. 4 fresh strawberries, Bourbon, and we're going to use a Maker's Mark, really good Bourbon cocktail this. It's got the unique wax dipped top here, Soplika, which is a Polish raspberry liqueur. Now Soplika are a really good range of Polish liqueurs. Very old-fashioned, authentic style liqueur, and it's made in Poland using the old traditional methods. I've tried the hazelnut one before, which is fantastic for coffees and hazelnut-inspired cocktails, but this raspberry is a really authentic. So just going to try a little bit of Soplika, courtesy of Justina. Thank you kindly. Oh, beautiful. It's got a lovely acidity to it, which just cuts through the sweetness. Lovely. Jovic. And then we're using some maple syrup. Then of course we need a cocktail shaker with crushed ice. Then we need a measure. And then the cocktail glass I'm using here is a coupe glass. So let's get shaking. So first of all, I'm just going to put the ice into the glass. Slice up the strawberries. Then this requests a muddler, but you can use a wooden spoon, and all you're doing, creating a puree. So we're going to add the ice, and then 3/4 of a shot of the raspberry liqueur, like so. 2 shots of the Bourbon. And then 1/4 of a shot of the maple syrup, just a little drizzle. Then we're going to shake. Now, really important that you strain this, and you can use special cocktail strainer, just use a sieve. Either one is absolutely fine. You can simply just pour into the cocktail glass. So finally strain the cocktail and just garnishing with a nice, lovely strawberry. This looks an absolute showpiece. Looks absolutely brilliant. So let's try. Wow, that is absolutely superb. The strawberry and the maple syrup go really well. It's a lovely balance cocktail with acidity and the sweetness, complexity of the Bourbon just cutting through. It's absolutely lovely, really nice that. And here we have it. We have a Bourbon blush, red for England. Come on England! Really hope you enjoyed the show. Lots of love and passion going into this. Please do subscribe and also turn on your notifications. Also check out the playlist for other summer cocktails. So come on England, we need to win tomorrow. Jovic!